Okay, good morning. Howdy, everybody. What is today? Happy Thursday. Okay, so let's see what's going on. You can see overnight price action. Um, we spiked on this bar. This was the Mock Madness bar, 1555, 1600. You can see where we had a lot of price action, a lot of volume coming in down there, and then the sell-off, nice sell-off volume right there. And then in the overnight, there's your Globex Open. Globex Open, we didn't have, we just bought it up. They continued to buy it up. They brought it down here so they could buy it back up again. So there's your VPOC, there's your value area low down here. So they were just basically just continued to buy it up, okay, when the market opened back up. So they continued to buy it up, in the overnight session. Okay, now here's today's high. Value area high is up here, okay? And now they're starting to drift down. You start seeing some volume. These are volume candles, so you can see increased volume. You can see our commercial levels up here when the big boys came in here, popped it back up, and then sold it right there to get a better position, right down to this level here. Now they bought it back up here. They did not come back up here, but they came right back up here, and then they're selling it again. Okay, so what I'm looking for, we're having news at 8:30. I don't expect, just because of the very choppy nature of price action today, I don't expect to see a big move on the 8:30 stuff. We could see a move. I don't expect to see a really big move on that. I do expect to see some selling. Just because they made such an effort to push it up, right? And here's your value area high way up here. I expected to see a little bit of a push up, but we're starting to drift back down a little bit. We could go up, we could go down, right? At cash market open, but I want to see what happens on the news. I don't think we're going to have a very big reaction to the news, but we'll see what happens. Again, we have commercial level up here, and we're just pushing back down, pushing down. I think, personally, just my opinion, worth what you pay for it. These are free videos, right? Yes. We're going to sell. If we push through this level, we're going to punch down and hit, there's a settlement price from yesterday. Your 2-day value, there's a value area low right there. I'd be targeting this initially, then watching for a pop-up back up in here, and then selling off to that 53.21 level, and then maybe even possibly down further. So that's your morning brief. I'm kind of short biased for the morning. I don't think we're going to pop it up very much more, and then we're going to sell it. I don't think we're going to have really great news. I think we got consumer price index. Let's see what we got here. What have we got? There we go. Forex Factory events. Okay, boop up. We've got unemployment claims. We got housing starts. We got Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, building permits, blah, blah, blah. All that sort of stuff. And then we'll have some stuff at 10 o'clock. Mortgage delinquencies. I expect that. Natural gas storage, blah, blah, blah. For the mortgage delinquencies, I'm expecting mortgage delinquencies to tick up, but it's not a very big impact. The unemployment claims is going to be the big news, and then the Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. That's what's really going to. Housing starts, I don't think are going to move the market very much, but unemployment claims, that's going to be the relatively big one, but I don't think it's going to move the market that much. I don't think it's going to be anywhere off expectations. So that's your 5-minute morning brief. I think we're going to, like I said, I think we're going to pop it back up, and then we already popped it up pre-market, It's 810. We may pop it back up here, sell it up here, and then come back down. Just my opinion with what you pay for it. See y'all.